Hi, my name is Cindy. If you've been here before, so glad you came back. If you're new, welcome to Z9 Designs. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, save, and comment. It really helps my channel to grow. So let's check out to see what wreath galore I have decorated for you today. They are easy, they're budget friendly, and they're really super cute. DIY number 1, a fall wooded bead wreath. The supplies needed include a beaded wire wreath, hot glue, small pumpkins, leaves, floral picks, a piece of wood 12 inches by 1.5 inch, letters that spell fall, acrylic paint in the color khaki, and pumpkin. And of course you need some wood glue for the wooden letters and the piece of wood. This is a beautiful wreath, an easy wreath that would look great on anyone's front door. I use wood glue to adhere the 12 and 1.5 inch piece of wood in the middle of the wreath. And that was no problem because the wood adhered to the wood beads and it went on really good and you can't pull it off or anything. Now I also left it in the raw wood state to match the beads. And I had some letters and I got them from Michael's and I spelled out the word fall. And I just used some wood glue to adhere that to the wood, so wood on wood. And I had some pumpkins in my stash. They were little small ones, and I upcycled them and I painted one in a khaki color, and I used a little baking soda in it to give it a little texture. And the other one, I just kind of went over it and painted it a regular pumpkin color. So this has a lot of colors in it that you may not think go together. So you have orange, and you have burgundy, and you have green, and you have khaki colored. So when it's all put together, I think it goes very well together. So the wreath was already beaded, and I just left it the natural color. I had a pick that was more of a variegated brown to burgundy colored leaves, and I just wired that to the lower part of the wreath. Next, I added some orange to yellow variegated leaves to the top part of the wreath. Now this whole swaggy type thing is going on the left side because all of the flowers or leaves don't have to go all the way around. They can go on the bottom, they can go on the top, they can go on the left or the right. So I chose the left side. And there was a little acorn, so I integrated that in there and some small flowers, and they appear to be old mums and the pumpkins. And I just hooked it on my front door, and oh, it's beginning to look a lot like fall. The Wreath Galore is an open collaboration and the theme is fall. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and At Home with Lisa. The guest host is Gigi Fazion. The co-hosts are Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, May's Design Corner, Design with Emma, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Sun Arts DIY, Z9 Designs, that's me. I am Shikadard, and Ashley Kirkland's Coaxum. These women are excellent decorators, so please show them some love and check out their channels. The link to the host and guest host is in the description box below. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. There are co-hosts that are decorating, so please give them a thumbs up and show them some love. I'm sure they will be happy. The link to the playlist is listed below. DIY number 2, dark wood wreath. The supplies needed include dark square wood beaded wreath, and this is from Dollar Tree. Hot glue, 1 small pumpkin, wire ribbon in linen, and just regular kind of silky ribbon in burgundy, picks with eucalyptus leaves, variegated dark green leaves, and some burgundy leaves that are variegated with green. This is also an easy DIY, and the supplies again are minimal. You can make a wreath like this, which I think is very pretty, for maybe $5 or maybe even less, depending on what you get on sale. This wreath will have the leaves and the florals at the bottom instead of the top or side. And this wreath is made from the use of 2 picks with dark and light green leaves, with eucalyptus leaves flanking the swag. And I equally put the same amount of green leaves on each side because, when you look at something, it's got to have balance. Maybe not all of the time, but balance is good. I only had 1 tiny pumpkin, so I painted it burgundy. This way, it pulled in the green and burgundy leaves at the bottom on each side. And then I made a bow from some wire ribbon in my stash, and I just wired that to the bottom of the beaded wreath. And to add more burgundy in the mix, I just looped a piece of burgundy ribbon in one of the loops in the wire ribbon, and it all came together. All of the ribbon is cut at an angle to give it a little pizzazz. And there you have it, my friends. 2 beaded wreaths that are totally different. Let me know what you think. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Decorating is fun and also challenging, so encouraging words are always appreciated. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And I want to thank all of you for watching each week and subscribing, and I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, joy is the music that fills your soul and makes your heart dance. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.